Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a professional network with LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a complete LinkedIn profile. Use a professional profile photo. Craft a compelling headline that reflects your expertise. Write a summary that highlights your skills and experiences. Include relevant work experience and education details. Add skills that showcase your strengths. Seek endorsements from colleagues and connections. Begin connecting with people in your industry. Personalize each connection request with a brief message. Join relevant LinkedIn groups related to your field. Engage in group discussions by sharing insights and asking questions. Follow companies and thought leaders in your industry. Engage with their content by liking, commenting, and sharing. Share your own industry-related posts and articles. Offer valuable insights and expertise in your posts. Consider writing long-form articles to showcase your knowledge. Attend virtual webinars and events shared on LinkedIn. Network with attendees by connecting with them afterward. Stay active on the platform by logging in regularly. Monitor your notifications and respond to connection messages. Always keep your profile updated with new skills and experiences. Remember, networking is about building relationships, not just collecting contacts. Focus on quality connections that can lead to mutually beneficial opportunities. Be patient, as building a professional network takes time and effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.